An abstract is a very small paragraph that is said to be the summary of a long document like a dissertation. It is also referred to as an executive summary. An abstract is a small section that discusses the aim and outline of the research so that the audience can get to know the exact purpose and scope of your paper. Dissertation abstract is very much in talks among the students due to its authentic ideas of writing an abstract. Abstracts are generally between 150 to 300 words. Knowing more about writing an abstract, visit Home of Dissertations. Procedure for writing an abstract for a dissertation. Step 1. Introduction. An abstract starts by defining the nature and scope of the research. It provides a fair amount of ideas to the audience about the purpose of doing the particular research. Keep it very clear and straightforward. The abstract dissertation will make you more familiar with the importance of writing a confined introduction. Step 2. Methods. This is the step that highlights the research methods that are being used by you in answering the questions of your research. Make it a very straightforward space so that the readers can understand all the things clearly. The main purpose of writing it is to tell the readers about the approach used by you. Step 3. Results. In this step, the summary of the results that are being received by you are mentioned. Make sure that all the results are part of your result portion. If it gets complex, then ensure that you write the major ones. Step 4. Discussion. Lastly, you need to talk about all the major points of your research. What is the accurate answer to the question that is being proposed by you in the research? You also need to tell about the limitations of your research. It is something that is going to make your dissertation credible. Why is an abstract essential? The simple answer to the question is that everyone does not have enough time to read the entire dissertation. So, it is very essential to write this part of the dissertation very clearly. Some students find problems in writing an abstract, so they seek dissertation abstract writing to get all their doubts clear. Make sure that you use a good approach to writing an abstract so that it can be meaningful. It is considered that if a dissertation is good, then it will help the readers to know about your abilities and capabilities. The Literature Review Writing Service is a safe place to get the details related to all the aspects of writing an abstract. Necessary tips for writing an abstract for a dissertation. 1. Go through the other abstracts. It is considered that the best way to learn to write an abstract is your practice or habit to read the abstracts of other people. No doubt you have read many journal abstracts while knowing the framework for the structure, format, and style of the section. 2. Reversing your outline. It is not necessary for all abstracts to require precise elements that are similar to the others. That is why it is said that tasks that are long should have an abstract that follows the process of reverse outlining. 3. Writing a clear abstract. It is a fact that a good abstract is short but meaningful and impactful. So make sure that your every word should make sense. Each sentence should communicate the main point. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. 1. How to start an abstract for a dissertation. To start an abstract for a dissertation, first be aware of the structure of writing the points. It starts with an outline of the problems that are going to be addressed in the dissertation along with the objective to write the document. 2. What are the major 4 parts of an abstract? The 4 major parts of an abstract are: an outline of the research problem and objectives, the methodology used in the research, key findings or results received, the conclusion of the dissertation. 3. How long can an abstract for a dissertation of 15,000 words? The length of an abstract for a dissertation varies from university to university as well as from program to program. Ideally, the length of an abstract is between 300 words to 500 words. 4. How to start writing an abstract. Typically an abstract only states what the research is all about. So, to start writing, specify the outline of the questions that are going to be part of the research. It also includes the proposed objective of the dissertation. After that, the methodology is mentioned followed by key findings. Lastly, it has a conclusion. 5. What are the main 7 steps of writing an abstract? The main 7 steps of writing an abstract are: writing the paper, Reviewing all the needs and requirements. Considering your publication and readers. Explanation of your gaps and problems. Explaining all your methods. Describing the results of the research. Provide a clear conclusion. To conclude, the above information provides detailed information about the procedure of writing an abstract. It is very essential to follow the accurate structure of writing the abstract because then only the purpose of writing it will be fulfilled. It is mentioned that the length of the dissertation depends on the guidelines set by the university. The thesis help is always there to support you with all the necessary guidance and support in writing an abstract for a dissertation. For expert writing help, you can connect with our experts. WhatsApp now your task to us or visit us at dissertationhomework.com. Like the video and subscribe to us for more informative videos.